Hello everyone. We are continuing to solve Math CBSE 10th grade board paper for the year 2019, and the code is 311 and the series is JMS/1, and we have already finished doing section A in our previous video, and now we are going to solve section B. Here we have 6 questions of 2 marks each. Question number 7. In this, we have to find the HCF of 1260 and 7344 using Euclid's algorithm. In this question, we need to find out the HCF of 1260 and 7344 using Euclid's algorithm. Here we can divide 1260 to 7344. So I think it will go 5 times, 0, 0 and 3, 6 here. So the remainder will be 4, 4, 0 and 1. So we can write down 7344 is equal to 1260 multiplied by 5 plus 1044. Now we can write down 1260 here, and this is equal to 1044 multiplied by 1 time, and we will get the remainder as 216. Now 1044 is equal to 216, and we can do 4 times, so 64 and 800, so 864, and we will be having the remainder as 180. Then 216 is equal to 180 into 1 plus 36. Then 180 is equal to 36 multiplied by 5 plus 0. So therefore we can see this will be the HCF. Therefore answer HCF of 1260 and 7344 is 36. Here we have a choice in the first question. So the second question, or the OR question, says show that every positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3, where q is some integer. In this question, let a be a positive odd integer and b is equal to 4. Now on applying Euclid's division lemma, we have a is equal to 4q plus r, where r is greater than or equal to 0 and it is less than 4. So therefore r will be equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Now applying a is equal to either 4q plus 0, or a is equal to 4q plus 1, or a is equal to 4q plus 2, or a is equal to 4q plus 3. So here this becomes 4q and this is 4q plus 1. This is equal to 4q plus 2 and this is equal to 4q plus 3. As q is an odd integer but multiplied by 4 will give me even number, this is an even number and this is also an even number. So we can write down as a is an odd integer, therefore a cannot be 4q or 4q plus 2. Therefore any odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3, hence shown. 8th question says which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 120 more than its 21st term. In this question, we are given an AP which is 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on. And we have to find n such that nth term will be 120 more than the 21st term. Here we know a is equal to 3 and d is equal to 12. Now an or tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. So let's substitute now. So a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to a plus 20d plus 120. A is 3 plus n minus 1 and d is 12 is equal to 3 plus 20 into 12 plus 120. Now 3 plus n minus 1 into 12 is equal to 3 plus 240 plus 120. Now n minus 1 into 12 is equal to, this becomes 363 and 3 from that side, so minus 3. Now n minus 1 is equal to 360 by 12, so this is 30, so n is equal to 31. Answer: 31st term of this AP is 120 more than its 21st term. In this 8th question again we have a choice, and it says if Sn, the sum of first n terms of an AP, is given by Sn is equal to 3n square minus 4n, you need to find out the nth term. In this question, sum of n terms of an AP is given by 3n square minus 4n, and we have to find the nth term. Sum of n terms is given by 3n square minus 4n, and we know an or tn is Sn minus sum of n minus 1 terms. Let's substitute now. Sn is 3n square minus 4n, and now I will write down n minus 1 instead of n. So 3 into n minus 1 whole square minus 4 into n minus 1. This is equal to 3n square minus 4n minus 3 into n square minus 2n plus 1 minus 4n plus 4. Now this is equal to 3n square minus 4n minus 3n square minus 6n plus 3 minus 4n plus 4. This is equal to 3n square minus 4n minus 3n square minus 10n, this and this, and 4 and 3 is 7. Now this is equal to 3n square minus 4n minus 3n square plus 10n minus 7. 3n square minus 3n square gets cancelled. 10n minus 4n will give me 6n minus 7. Therefore answer, nth term or an is equal to 6n minus 7. 9th question. In this we have to find the ratio in which the segment joining the points 1, minus 3 and 4 and 5 is divided by x-axis, and also we need to find the coordinates of this point on x-axis. In this question we are given 2 points. Let that be A, whose coordinates are 1 and minus 3, and B, whose coordinates are 4 and 5. Okay, and now this is divided by x-axis. Therefore, coordinates of point which divides the line AB will be x and 0. Y coordinate will be 0 because it is divided by x-axis. And we have to find the ratio. So let the ratio be k is to 1. Now we are going to use the section formula. The coordinates for the point which divides the line are equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and y coordinate will be m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Let's substitute the values. So the point of division is x and 0, and this is equal to 4k plus m2 is 1 and x1 is 1. So this divided by k plus 1. So 5k plus 1 into minus 3 divided by k plus 1. Now on comparing y coordinate, we have 5k minus 3 by k plus 1 is equal to 0. 5k minus 3 is equal to 0. K is equal to 3 by 5. Therefore, ratio we can say is equal to k is to 1. We can substitute the value 3 by 5 is to 1 is equal to 3 is to 5. Now we also need to find out the coordinates of the point. On comparing x coordinates, we have 4k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 is equal to x. Now substitute the value of k, so 4 into 3 by 5 plus 1 divided by 3 by 5 plus 1 is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to 12 by 5 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 5 by 5 equal to 12 plus 5 by 5, and we have 8 by 5. 5 gets cancelled, so I get 17 by 8. Answer: the ratio is 3 is to 5 and the coordinates are 17 by 8 and 0. 10th question. It says a game consists of tossing a coin 3 times and noting the outcome each time. If getting the same result in all the tosses is a success, we need to find the probability of losing the game. Here total outcomes for tossing 3 coins will be 2 raised to the power 3, or it is equal to 8. Getting the same result is success. So same result we will have if we have head 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 or tail tail tail. So the result is same in all the 3. For same result we have 2 outcomes. For losing, there will be 8 minus 2 is equal to 6 outcomes. Probability of event is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Probability of losing the game, here will be, if you lose the game, there are 6 outcomes and total outcomes are 8. So 2 3 times and 2 4 times. So this is equal to 3 by 4. So answer, probability of losing the game is 3 by 4. 11th question. In this, a die is thrown once and we need to find the probability of getting a number which first part is a prime number, second part lies between 2 and 6. A die is thrown once, so outcomes will be 1 2 3 4 5 or 6. So total outcomes are 6. Now we can write down the formula for probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Now the first part is we have to find the probability of getting a prime number. Here outcomes are 2 3 5. Here number of outcomes are 3. Probability of getting a prime number is equal to 3 out of 6, so half. Answer. Then second part we have probability of getting a number which lies between 2 and 6. So outcomes will be 3, 4 and 5. So here also number of outcomes are 3. So probability of getting a number between 2 and 6 will be equal to 3 by 6. Total outcomes are 6. So this is also 1 by 2. 12th question. In this we need to find C if the system of equations cx plus 3y plus 3 minus c is equal to 0 and 12x plus cy minus c is equal to 0. And these two equations have infinitely many solutions. So basically these two equations are of the same line or the lines coinciding. In this question we are given two equations, cx plus 3y plus 3 minus c is equal to 0 and other equation is 12x plus cy minus c is equal to 0. And we are given that they have infinitely many solutions and we have to find C. It has infinitely many solutions. Therefore, the ratio of coefficients of the equations are equal. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Now A1 is C and A2 is 12 and this should be equal to 3 by C and this should be equal to 3 minus C by minus C. So here we can compare these two. Therefore C by 12 is equal to 3 by C, or we can compare these two also. So or 3 by C is equal to 3 minus C by minus C. Here we get C square is equal to 36 and here we get C and C will get cancelled. So get 3 is equal to minus 3 minus C. Here C is equal to 6 and here also we get 3 is equal to minus 3 plus C. So C is equal to 6. So answer, we can write down C is equal to 6. We have finished section B and and section C we are going to do in the next video. So stay tuned and see you all.